Okay, so today we're looking at our air fryer chicken recipe. You'll notice I've pre-prepared my spice. That way I don't need to worry about cross-contamination by touching my cupboards, utensils, or anything else while I'm working with my raw chicken. I've also put a piece of parchment paper down over my cooking surface. Take the spice and put it in the inside of your bird. Now give that a little shake. You'll notice we've got a lot of our spice that came out on the bottom. So what we do? Take it down and start swirling. And we're going to swirl the top. You're going to swirl the sides. And then you'll swirl the other side. This way you've wasted no spice. Don't worry, this should not hurt your bird. Take your spit. No. Don't worry, this is not going to hurt your chicken. But you got to take your spit. Oh, it's like almost going for that annual physical. There you go. So we've got it in there. Spread the chicken's legs. Take your other little pointy end here. And now we got to just lock them up. So I'll do it this way. You can see it. Just like that. I told you it wouldn't hurt them. Depending on the type of air fryer you have, will determine how you can roast your chicken. My air fryer has a rotisserie built in, which I love to use. This is one of my favorite features of the air fryer. I'm simply able to put it in the rotisserie rack, choose the chicken setting. It automatically goes to rotisserie, and I hit start, and away we go. Once you hit that start button on your air fryer, like I've done here, just sit back and let the air fryer do its work. I can watch chicken roast like this all day. I worked in restaurants for years. I roasted 100 chickens every day. This to me is like being in a candy store looking through that glass window. The aroma coming from the spices, the juices flowing on the chicken looks fantastic. I don't recommend opening the doors of your air fryer while it is roasting. Leave the air fryer do its work with the doors closed. You can always look through those glass windows with the light on and enjoy the roast. Here I'm showing you the different stages of the roasting process. It takes approximately 40 minutes to air fry the chicken on this rotisserie setting. It smells delicious. I can't wait to get into this. Once the cook or the rotisserie has completed its cycle, be very careful when you go to remove this. If you have a set of utensils or oven mitts, protect your hands, protect your wrists, your forearms as you're removing this from the air fryer. Everything is going to be extremely hot. The chicken, the spit, and also the air fryer itself. Let's be very cognizant of that. There's your rotisserie chicken in the air fryer. Again, the chicken, the spit, and those knobs are going to be extremely hot. Proceed with caution when you're removing everything. No need to burn yourself. Give everything a few minutes to cool down if need be. Let's be very careful here while we're removing the spit from the chicken. Next, we need to make sure that we clip the string. We don't want to serve chicken with string in it, so always look underneath, pull from and remove from the wings around the drumsticks. If you snip it once, you should be able to get it out in one pull, 2 pulls max. I would recommend leaving your chicken rest for approximately 10 minutes. It's going to allow it time just to settle. Don't worry, the internal temperature is going to remain extremely hot. Always be very careful when you're working with your sharp knives or cleavers. I remove both legs first. You'll see here I'm spinning the chicken around so I can get the cleaver in there a little bit easier. Set it right in between the bones, and you should just be able to chop that away quite easily. Then we'll move on to the breast. We'll split those right down the center, and we'll have 4 separate quarter chickens. This is also the time you can be creative in your kitchen. For this meal, I decided to take 1 quarter chicken. I had rice prepared, a spinach salad, but more importantly here, I had my fresh homemade mango salsa already prepared. The full recipe is on my channel as well. You can click right up here. I add that on the rice and the spinach salad, and what a delicious, flavorful combination this turned out to be. Please also remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Put a comment below. I'd love to hear if you tried, especially this mango salsa. There you have it, everybody. Rotisserie chicken in the air fryer, spinach salad, rice with a mango salsa. The recipe for that is on my channel. Enjoy it. Boom!